Welcome to Tuesday, Pasta Tuesday as always, and the doors haven't even fallen down yet. I'm fairly impressed with my handiwork, that the doors haven't fallen down. So what we need to do now is sand down my runs, put a bit of filler in the bits and places. The boot needs a couple of little dents fixing, seal all around the doors. So we're sort of ready to get that all done before we try and put a bit of high build prime on it. So yeah, made myself a little bed. God, I need to tidy up, don't I? Yeah, I'll tidy up a bit more, honest. And yeah, let's get some sealant on these things. Alrighty, I've got a bit of the old HP body sealant stuff left from doing the roof. So we'll just run around the outside of that. People may ask why there's two holes. That's where someone put some reversing lights in. So we'll see if we can do something with those before we finally spray the car. Bit of gaffer tape will be fine, won't it? Yeah, we'll see if we can yeah, maybe weld a little bit, weld some metal in maybe. Try and get rid of that. But anyway, bit of seam sealant around the outside. I don't know if Boots used to have them or not, but I think it could just do with a bit of tidying up. It just stops it get any more water getting in there. And then yeah, we'll work on the doors. Also, people will be now mentioning that that is a Mark II boot, not a Mark I boot. It's what came with the car. I'm not going to keep bloody replacing everything. It's just a big money pit anyway. I'm not trying to make profit on this. All I'm trying to do is restore a car and then at least give me some funds to actually, one, keep the wife happy, to just use it to finish the pickup off. So again, it's what I got it. The doors, it was pretty solid. So it'll do. Next onto the doors. So I forgot to video the other doors. I've run a bit of sealing around that, a couple of little bits of extra primer just on a few bits. But yeah, I think the doors are alright. They're not wonderful, to be honest. They weren't beyond scrapping, but they needed more work really. I think all these top bars could have been replaced as well. But again, needs must, you know, you've got to weigh up your project, how long you want to take on it, what you're trying to do with it. Are you just, you know, doors are quite a good thing to do as a separate task later on as well, you know, to you know, make better. As always, you can do them all now anyway, but you know, budget comes into things, you know. So yeah, doing the door skins aren't too bad. Doing these bottom panels aren't, again, I'm not too bad with. Once you start getting into the whole top frame as well, I don't know if M Machine even make that pressing anymore up here. I don't know if anyone does. But there's a couple of little spot welds, holes, so we just plug them up and grind them down with a little bit of filler. Going to leave some of these dents, one because I can't be bothered to fill them, but I think it's a bit of character. You always get the dents on the old door pockets. As I said, I'm not building a concourse car. I'm building this car for someone to take to their local shows at the weekend, be proud of it. But you know, just to be used, and if they sort of get a scratch or a dent in it, they're not going to have a big old hissy fit. You know, I want them to race and rally it. Anyway, let's get this door back up. I think it's time to mix up some filler, I think. Sorry, I was sticking some filler in the doors as well, which obviously I didn't move the camera, so it's a bit stupid. But anyway, that's not looking too bad. As always, put more filler in than you actually need when you're not very good at doing stuff. What I should have done was weld up some of these holes first before doing the filler, because I'm going to need to put a bit of filler back on those holes. But anyway, this life. So yeah, let's weld some of those holes up and grind them down. Oh, Body Shop. I can hear Body Shop people turning in their grave. Not 100% sure about these door skins, but we're just going to have to go for it. I don't know. It's a bit flat. Until we get gloss on there, it's so hard to tell. You know, you think you're looking good, and or you just, you know, even obviously if you're feeling something now, you 100% know. You know, you're thinking, ah, be fine, get a bit of gloss on there, a bit of solid colour. It won't be as visible. And yeah, be wrong. Trust me, I'll make enough imperfections to know that. Yeah. That one's alright. This one don't feel right. And I'm not going to go to the point of fucking, if I think there's something not alright, I'm not going to put fucking, you know, okay, I'm one for using a bit of filler, but I'm not going to go over the whole lot of bloody put filler on something. It just needs redoing again another day if something's not right with it. Yeah, something's not quite right. Something's not quite right. But hey ho. Alright, tractor start up. That's enough prep for today. I've got the bonnet drying, filled those holes in, I've got a hoover out, so let's do some sand arriving. So yeah, I'm not going to lie, I don't think the doors are the best. We're going to just have to see what they look like when they're on the car. And yeah, you know, we just do our best. I keep telling people keep telling me that the old Mark 1s were never that perfect coming from the factory anyway, so using blocks of woods and hammers and stuff depending on a Friday afternoon. But yeah, so dust all over the camera. Started scotching down the bonnet. Gonna just get some high build on that as well on the top. So try and do a bit. I think I was planning on just doing high build on the outsides, but I think I might, depending on how much I've got, I might just at least go over the door pockets and bits and bobs. Just if it just gives it a little bit more of a smoother finish, it'll help, I think. But yeah, we'll see how we go. And I think that's it for today. So yeah, we're getting closer. Weather's starting to turn. Hopefully maybe the end of this week, next week, we can find a day. I want to try and get, yeah, as I say, get the high build primer on this and the roof at the moment. That's my current idea. Next, because I want to get the old English white done, I want to get the wheels in high build primer as well. They're just standard steel wheels, nothing special, but at least let's get them looking a bit better. So yeah, we're just going to show you the wheels anyway quickly. We're just done the wheels, so not too bad. Just in high build, not high build yet, just in etch primer. Covered them in Mk1 before I did that, and they went turn black. So yeah, as I said, nothing special, just standard, bog standard mini rims. We'll try and get a bit of, yeah, get as much high build on them as we can, give them a quick rub down, and then we'll just go from there with a bit of a old English white that Jimbo's going to lend me. Alright, till next time, definitely. Yeah, see you later guys. Bye.